bird buds. I just wanted to real quickly kind of show you while I had two of my guys here of how they look, how the budgies look with the differences between the babies and an adult. So I have two males here, and they are, as you can see here on my right, I have a fella. He's already gone through his first molt, so you can see towards the front of his head is all white, and he no longer has any stripes. This lets you know that he is going to be more than probably 5 months old. Once they get older than about 6 months old, it gets very hard to determine age because they kind of all look alike. But if you look over here to the left, I have this little sweet lavender baby. He is also male. And you see how you can see the stripes all the way down his head. So he has not gone through his first molt. This baby is actually around 7 weeks old. But you can see size-wise, we're already getting there pretty close to the sizing of the larger one. So it gives you an idea how, like, you can't just go off the side like, oh, you're little. So there's another thing that as you look here on the baby, you see how the eye is completely black. This is for most of your birds, parrots and everything, that they don't have their iris yet. So I'm going to try to zoom up here. It's a little harder because, you know, I have to get the camera a little close. Oh, I lost my friend. If you look here, you can see he has an iris. It's just small, but you have a white ring around the black part of the eye, the actual eye. So with that, I'm going to step back away from him a little bit because he's getting nervous with the camera way up close to him. That tells you that he is older too, and that the baby still does not have that. And then also the baby had a little bit of black on his beak, whereas you can notice this fella does not. It does not have anything to do with the color of the cere. This guy does have a blue cere, very deep blue cere. This lets you know that he is mature. He is ready. He's ready actually to breed. If I wanted to let him, I actually do not want to let him at this time. So I would ideally like for him to wait about another 2 months so that he is a little more mature, so that he would be a good dad. It's not that he physically is not able. It's just about emotional maturity to be able to be a good parent, just like people. So this is just something to kind of give you a quick idea of how the differences of the two show up, and that you can sort of get an idea of how old some of the budgies, and this would be the same for parakeets, are like. So if you were at the store and you wanted to buy one, you could, but this would give you an idea of, are we looking at a mature bird, or are we looking at one that is you know, a baby. So I hope this helps. Make sure that you subscribe and that you like this video. And I hope that you can hear me well enough. The guys are actually being kind of quiet, relatively. And have a wonderful day. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.